Hey guys, we're back, and as you can see, the hot shots, the charcoal's nice and up and going. You pan across the old temperature here. It's exactly where we want it. So we've got the temperature. You want to be cooking around the 250 to 275. It can be a little bit hotter to start with, because once you start opening these doors and putting cold meat in, you're going to get about probably a third drop off in temperature. So the first thing we want to put is the longest cooking meats in. We'll just start loading it in. So we're going to put the brisket flat end on. When you put them on too, it's always good to work out where your hot spot and cold spot in your unit is. And when you put it on, it's good to just gather it up a bit. Just push it together like that instead of trying to flatten it out. Because once it starts cooking anyway, it's going to shrink up. So you can put that one in there, slide that to the back. Beef shorties. And these beef shorties seem to have been cut. They're not in a complete rack, which they normally come 4 or 5. You'd normally sit them that way up. To save them falling over, you just want to lay them over to start with like that. Same thing, kind of shrink them up like that. And once you've put it in there, you want to keep your door shut. The longer you keep it open, the cooler your unit will get. Move this into smoker. Find where it's got some room. And then you've got your baby back ribs. So lay your baby backs in there like that. Once you put them in, just pull them out like that, so they're spread out. And then you want to get your door shut as quickly as you can. Once you've done that, just go back to your wood chips or your flavour. Get a little handful of wood chips and go through and sprinkle a few wood chips on there. It'll take a few minutes and that'll start the flavour to go through your unit. And you pretty much don't need to do anything for about the first 45 minutes, and then you want to make yourself up a nice spritz. It's good to use something like apple juice or pineapple juice in a little spritz bottle.